Hi everyone, Justin here, and I want to show you a neat little extension that you can use called Mote. Mote is a great addition that you can use using Google Docs or Google Slides or Sheets. It allows you to add a voice comment into your grading. So what I have set up here is I have my teacher classroom page, and I have a demo student over here. So as a teacher, I would add some assignment in here. And so I have one here that says write a haiku about fall. And I assigned a little Google Doc that I had make a copy for each student. And we can see over here the student has, let's turn that little filter off. We'll see the assignment right here. So the student opens it up. We can see the student wrote a little poem. Now, as the teacher, what I want to do is I want to leave them a voice note talking about what I like about the haiku. So I would install the Mote Chrome extension. You can see I already installed it here. I have it pinned up amongst my other extensions right here. So what I would do is I would come into my classroom. I'm going to view the assignment. Click the students that I want to leave a voice comment for. I can see it brings me into the Google Classroom grading window. And what happens is with that extension up here, when I come down to the private comments area, I'll see there is a little Mote button. You can see it says click to record or hold for a Mote book. So if I click, what I'm now doing is leaving a voice note for my student. You can see I have about a minute, 30 seconds to do so. So I can say something like, oh, awesome haiku. I really enjoy the wording. And then using the different color font and picture really helps explain your haiku even more. When I click done, what Mote does is it automatically puts a little information in here and it puts a little note. Now I can change this up a little bit. Maybe I say something like, click this link to see what Mr. Cowan thought of your haiku. And I can hit post. It adds that right there. Now, as the student, what the student sees, let's close this little tab. If I come into view assignment, let's hit refresh. I will see that it added the little private comment here. So you can see that's what I typed in there. This is the student side. If I click it, it comes into here, and the student can hit play. Now it won't make you listen to that again, but they could listen to my comment. So instead of just writing something in there, if we have students who are doing distance or virtual, this gives them the ability to hear me, even though I'm not in the same place that they are. This is also useful for students who are face-to-face. If you're grading, you can kind of go through and quickly give each student a little personal idea of what you're thinking. So it's great for those face-to-face students. It's awesome for those distance. And it's a way to connect with virtual students who you may not see all the time. So that's Mote. It is a free product to use. You can see the way it works. So I hope it's something you find really cool, and it's something that you can use in your classroom.